It is 1:16. Yeah. And it's Thursday, January 3rd of 2019. I just got in here about 3 or 4 minutes ago. I had some time where I could do some research. Now, on January 4th at 9:30 a.m., I'm supposed to be in court approximately 20 hours, 12 minutes, and 40 seconds from now. Yeah. And I have some concerns about this court appearance because of the evidence that I wasn't in Vernon, Washington. Yeah. Now, I did send some emails today. I spent part of the morning getting a bus pass so that I could ride the bus, and I did get some bus tickets, so it looks like I'm good for the round trip from Port Angeles to Sequim. Yeah. But there seems to be some issue about from Sequim to Port Townsend. I only have $1.06, so I'm going to have to find another dollar, maybe $1.34. Yeah. Now, I sent you some emails about the actual documentation from June 16th of 2017, and I think that was the criminal complaint. Yeah. On or about. Yeah. June 16th of 2016. Yeah. With knowledge that the Clallam County Superior Court had previously issued a protection order, restraining order, no contact order. Yes. RCW in Heidi Lee Budnick versus Paul Chad Budnick, cause number 112000671-1. Did violate the order while the order was in effect by knowingly violating the restraint provisions therein and or by knowingly violating a provision excluding him or her from a residence. Yeah. A workplace, a school, or a daycare, and or by knowingly coming within or knowingly remaining within a specified distance of a location. Now, this contrary, yes, to the revised code of Washington, 26.50.110. A gross misdemeanor, and furthermore, the defendant did commit the above crime against a family or household member as defined by the revised code of Washington 10.99.020. Yeah. Now, I gave you the actual emails from that day. Yeah. For every sheriff, every police officer that is able to click on the link to the June 16th of 2017, where is there anything in that email about lewd or lascivious? Yes. Indecent or obscene words, images, or language suggesting the commission of any lewd or lascivious act. Pope. Now, just looking at it, this is the August 9th. Yes. Let me go back one to the actual email. You have the evidence that I wasn't in Brendan, Washington. Now, it could be, I got the encyclopedia and I spent some time looking at it. It's the World Book Encyclopedia, letter T. Yeah. And they actually do have treason in that encyclopedia. Now, I know the dog's a bed again. Yeah. See, on June 6th, 2016, number 4. Yeah. Maybe I got the wrong date. June 16th of 2017. No. It's 6/16. Yes. The 6 is the June. Yeah. Now, if you click on any of the actual emails that were sent that day, there are links to the YouTube channel P. Budnick 21. Yeah. Now, on this one, okay, page 1 of 15. Yeah. I sent it at 3:16 p.m. on Friday, June 16th of 2017. Yeah. And I sent it to, there's my own address, Paul Heidi 2300. Then there's Kay Malone in the city of Port Angeles' police department. Yeah. Rick Larson, Officer Rick Larson of Sequim, Washington. Gary Neal of the Sequim School District, Superintendent of Sequim School Districts. Christy Miller might be an officer of the law, or she might be the actual Christy Miller that has a forgery. Yeah, it says Kate Miller, and I think it's actually an officer. Then there's the Supreme Court Justice Madsen, yeah, of the Washington State Supreme Court. Then there's Michael Edson of the Washington State Troopers, yeah, Washington State Patrol. Monica Alexander, Maurice Ball, Grant Campbell. Now, for every one of you, Principal Vic Rickabine of the Sequim School District, yes. And then there's B. Barrett of the Port Angeles School District, yeah. A. Cahill of the Port Townsend School District, yes. S. Wilson of the Port Townsend School District, yeah. P. Kane of the Port Townsend School District, yes. And then any of you, yes, S. Bollinger of any of you that got an email from me that actually has links to the YouTube video that I was in Port Angeles. I just wanted to make sure, okay, that you understand that when you refuse to admit the evidence that I was not in Brennan, Washington, and I was not stalking the petitioner. Now, regardless if she signed the protection order or not, it's not the issue here. I'm going to a court hearing because I'm on trial for the allegation of violating no contact order. That's why I'm going to court. Now, as the process of those court hearings right now, I'm telling you, I'll put every individual in this nation in prison that has any knowledge of the actual evidence. Now, if you went to Facebook today, yes, and you did click on the links, yes, you're going to fucking prison. Now, what dog bet that I would appear in court tomorrow? Yes. And did say, well, Paul is crazy, right, for not understanding that when I'm sitting in front of the Masonic Temple, what dog thinks that there are